Wanted to make a fast video telling about my rare Avalanche. It's a 2500 8.1 liter big block I got yesterday. See if I can do a walk around real quick. Got the 3/4 ton 8 lug wheels, and it clearly says 2500. Interior is really nice. The leather isn't ripped. Cluster works. Dash isn't cracked. Headliner looks good. See if I can get over here in the sun. There you go. 4-wheel drive. Brand new tires. Really rare truck. Only made 9,500 of them. These trucks were only built for 4 years. This is the holy grail, the unicorn of cat-eye Chevrolet trucks. 8.1 liter big block. But I figured I'd share that to YouTube. Yeah, I might sell it. No low ballers.